Today at the Young's house, we're making banana Nutella pancakes that are so good. When I tell you, if you love pancakes, you're gonna live for this recipe. It's so easy to make. It's fun to make, whoever you make it for. Here's the thing, make sure you make a lot because everyone's gonna want seconds for sure. I'm gonna show you how to do it a quick way, Gina Young style. Make your pancakes taste delicious. Hope y'all are having a great weekend today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. Good morning to everybody. So my family requested these pancakes and I'm so excited to make it for them. It's been a while, but today I get to show you how to make them. Here's the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need some pancake mix. This is my favorite pancake mix. Here's the thing with this one, it's always promises good pancakes, right? It's never let me down, and so I use it. Yes, we all know how to make the homemade pancakes, and what I'll do for you, because it's always gonna be somebody in the comment section say, why you're not using homemade pancakes? What we'll do is at the end of this video, I'll attach a video. You'll see it at the top if you want to make a homemade pancake batter, okay? That video will be there for you to click on it and check it out. But until then, we're using this kind today because all you really got to do is put you some water in there, all right? You're going to need some fresh bananas. Nice, gorgeous bananas and sweetened condensed milk. Really interesting ingredient. Here's the thing, syrup doesn't go on these pancakes today. We're using sweetened condensed milk and we're using some Nutella. And you see, like I did, just get the no-name brand. They taste the exact same. Let's go ahead and make up our pancake batter. I'm just gonna put my desired amount in there. I think that should be plenty enough, right? And then we're gonna mix, you can mix milk in here, even though the box says, you know, add water. Of course you could use milk. This is cold water. Just gonna blend it in. If you want to put in a little bit of vanilla extract, you can do that as well. Tell me, what are you all having for breakfast this morning or this weekend? I would love to hear from you guys. See, here's the thing, when it's the weekend, I like plan the breakfasts. You know, like, do you guys ask your family, like, what are we having for breakfast this weekend? You know, maybe somebody wants omelets, maybe somebody wants grits or something like that, you know. Let me know what you guys are having. Wait on our pan to heat up. I want to talk about the difference between using butter to make your pancakes or oil to make the pancakes. When Gina Young makes pancakes, I'm always going to use oil. And the reason why I like to use oil is because oil gives that nice crispy edge, right, that I absolutely love. I don't want a pancake that don't have that nice crispy edge. That is kind of crunchy, right? That's what I'm always looking for. Now, butter will not give you that. If you're using butter, just know that butter burns at a high temperature. So at some point of making your pancakes, the pancakes are get somewhat dark because you used that butter that turned a little bit dark in the pan. Okay, so you get the gist. In my pan, I have some oil here, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. We want to get that pan nice and hot, but I'll be cooking the pancakes on a medium heat today. I'm going to take this Nutella, and we are going, or hazelnut cream, whatever you want to call it, put it into something that is pourable and something that I can put in the microwave so I can thin it out a little bit. See how thick it is right now? I want this to be to the point where I could drizzle it onto the pancake, so that's going to require me to put this into the microwave just for about maybe 12 seconds. I tell you, you and your whole family's going to love this recipe. Thank me later. If you love pancakes, you love bananas and chocolate, this recipe is definitely for you. All right, so let's get our bananas nice and opened, and then we're gonna slice them. It's up to you to slice them as thick or as thin as you want. Here's what I'm gonna do. If you worry about the bananas oxidizing and turning a little brown, you can squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on them, and that won't happen. I'm doing like a medium slice here. What's the weather like? Do you guys have the amazing weather yet? I wanna know. I wanna hear from everybody. The weather is finally like consistent with what I'm looking for. 85, that's what I love. 85 and sunny, no wind blowing. Oh my goodness, I am loving the weather. I told y'all, when the sun is out, I'm in a really good mood. You hear me? All right, so now that we have our bananas, let's see if the pan is nice and hot. And it is. Let's do it. Go ahead and get our pancakes right in the pan. I'm gonna try my best to make them all the same size, you know. Sometimes it just don't work that way though, right? So I got my oil in here. I want to make sure it's nice and even in the pan. Let's try to do 3 of them. And if I need to make more, we'll just do another batch. Who loves pancakes? Do you love them like we do here at the Young's house? I am a sucker for a good pancake. That's where this recipe gets fun. Put your desired amount of the bananas onto the pancake. I'll typically do like 5, you know, all depending on how big the pancakes are, just like this. You put your bananas in, kind of like push them in a little bit. Because when we flip them over, we don't want them to fall out, right? So just doing this little trick right here will keep them in place, of course. Go ahead and give them a couple of them a try and see. I think they're ready. I'm just going to flip it real fast. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, yes. There you go, baby. And one more. Boom. Perfect. I don't know what it was about these here pancakes, but I got a little nervous. It was time to flip them over, and it felt like I wasn't really sure what was going on with them. That's why y'all heard me saying, bam! Pancakes are almost done. And so now it's time to heat up the Nutella. We want to make it heated up enough where it's pourable, and we can kind of make like streaks on top of the pancake. Let me show you the side where the bananas were. They get like nice and toasty under there. Oh my goodness, can you all see that? That's what we're looking for, and that's when you know that they're good. In case you really didn't get to see the caramelization with these bananas, it gets crispy and sweet and everything that your taste buds is going to love. Now it's time to do the most fun part. We have our hazelnut cream here. Give it a nice, or spread, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and do what you can to make like little streaks. You can turn it on the banana side or have it on the other side. Just like this. Oh yeah, mouth watering, stomach's rumbling. Let me know if that's you. This one too. Oh my goodness, I just really made one for all of us in the house, and then we're gonna have like some bacon and some eggs along with this. This is a must try. My favorite, sweetened condensed milk. Now here's the thing, when it comes to this, you can heat it up if you want, but honestly, I never do. Let's go ahead and do that same drizzle. Yes, you can slice this, cut it into squares if you want, or you can just serve it like this, whatever floats your fanny, you know, just get it on there. Oh, yes. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell the world what Gina Young's doing in this kitchen every single day. And Father, on today, thank you for this beautiful breakfast, for your hedge of protection, your mighty love, your time, your mercy, and your understanding. Oh, Father, I thank you for what you've done and what you're getting ready to do. Amen. Stay tuned. We're going to look at that. Let's taste it. Somebody's all excited. Let me know if it's you. I want to know if you're going to try this too. Crispy on the outside, just like I promised. Soft, supple in the middle. Oh, baby. That's it. You'll never see pancakes the same again. Ever. Give me that. Oh.